Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Naomi's Corner. Today we are making a quick and healthy cauliflower rice using our Saladmaster Food Processor. We are going to make cauliflower rice in 3 ways. First, we have the cauliflower fried rice, Parmesan cauliflower rice, and lemon garlic cauliflower rice. First, we'll process our cauliflower using our Saladmaster Food Processor. And now we will be using cone number 2. You can also use cone number 1, but it's going to be thin. I love the texture when I use cone number 2. Okay? So, cone number 2. Alright, look at that! Really nice and neat. And now, if you have cauliflower florets, you can actually put everything inside and you can just start processing it, okay? Okay, now since I have small pieces here, I can show you that you can actually put inside the hopper. Okay. Now that our cauliflower has been processed, we'll make our fried rice first. Let's preheat our Gourmet Skillet using low-medium heat, okay, for like about 30 seconds to a minute. And while we are preheating it, we're gonna start with our egg, okay? And then you can actually season this with salt, all right? And then after preheating it, remember you have to test it with a little bit of water just to make sure our pan is all set for frying. Now after lightly coating it with our avocado oil, we're ready to start. First, we have to dump your onion, okay? And you can combine it with your garlic. Okay, so we're going to cover this for like about 30 to 1 minute. After 1 minute, we can open our 12-inch Gourmet Skillet. By the way, I'm using the 12-inch electric skillet cover. It perfectly fits on your 12-inch Gourmet Skillet. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to set aside the garlic and then the onion, and then I'm going to fry my egg. This is really good and great for your breakfast in the morning. So I think I'm good. I'm just gonna set them aside again, and then I'm going to add my frozen peas and corn. I'm just going to cover this for like about 30 seconds to a minute again, and then I'm going to open this. Once I open it, I'm going to include my 4 cups of cauliflower. Now 1 minute is up. We're ready to open our Gourmet Skillet. Now, you know, another thing that you can do when you're cooking your cauliflower fried rice, you can add your protein, any choice of your protein. You can have shrimp, chicken, or beef, and it's going to be really good. So we're ready to put in our cauliflower rice. I'm going to add at least 4 cups. And then you can season it with black pepper, with salt. Okay, I'm just going to cover this and maybe cook it for about a minute. And your cauliflower fried rice with frozen mixed vegetable is ready. Another type of rice that you can make is our Parmesan cauliflower rice. It's very easy. It's actually one of my favorites. All we need is your 10-inch Gourmet Skillet, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and of course 1 tablespoon of our garlic powder and salt to season. Okay, so I'm already preheating my 10-inch Gourmet Skillet here. And like what I said, you can choose to coat it with a little bit of olive oil, but you don't really have to. You start with your cauliflower. And And we can add your garlic powder and then the salt. And then a little bit of salt. So what I'm going to do is we're going to cook it for like about a minute to a minute and a half. And then after that, we're ready to put in our Parmesan cheese. Okay, now we are ready to put in our Parmesan cheese. And then just keep stirring it until it's melted. Now that our Parmesan cheese is here, it's just going to take about 30 seconds to a minute. That's it. And then your cauliflower with Parmesan cheese is ready for you to enjoy. Finally, for our lighter and fresh take, we will be making a lemon garlic cauliflower rice using again our 10-inch gourmet skillet. And all we need is lemon, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and all we need to do is to preheat our 10-inch electric skillet for about 30 seconds to a minute. And while we are preheating this, we can actually do the lemon zesting. And I'll be using cone number 1 this time. Wow, look at that. Yes, easy, right? "30 seconds to a minute is already done. We are ready to spray our 10-inch gourmet skillet. I'm going to be using avocado oil. You don't really have to, but it just added a little bit of nice, smooth texture to your cauliflower rice. So what we're going to do is we're going to scoop about 3 to 4 cups of the cauliflower rice. Okay? And all you need is garlic powder. All right. And then your salt. And then we're going to wait for like about 2 to 3 minutes. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, okay, you can add your lemon zest. Now if you want to, your cauliflower to be really soft, you can add more minute. But I just love my cauliflower to be firm and I have that crunchy texture. So I'm ready to add my lemon zest. Now your lemon garlic cauliflower rice is ready. Enjoy! Wow, look at this. We have made 3 different types of cauliflower rice. You can create as many variations as you can. And this is just really a few of those things that you can make out from your cauliflower. And I just want to make sure that you're going to enjoy it. Smells really good. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Naomi's Corner for more delicious recipes using Saladmaster. Stay amazing!